Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disconnect with people on LinkedIn. First of all, and of course, you'll need the LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get started. So, let me just launch my LinkedIn application. Here, I would like to go to my profile by clicking at my icon at the top left corner. So if you click on that, all you need to do, just go and click at view profile. Here, here you will go or you'll navigate to your profile. So let me just remove this keyboard. So as you can see here, I have 0 connections. So let me just go back. And let's go to your network or to my network. Here, just look for someone. Wait, let me just go and look for someone that I can connect with to just show you how to disconnect. So let's go into random user here. And as you can see here, we have disconnect options. But let's say, for example, that's your friend on LinkedIn and you already connected with them. So how can you remove your connection? It's simply by go and click at these 3 dots on the right here of a message, and as you can see here we have an option called follow and Andre or this user, but if you are connected with him you will find here an option called remove connection. If you click on that, a pop-out will appear here. You will need to confirm that you want to remove connection. Just go and click on that and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.